Hey guys! Baked tilapia in garlic butter is so flavorful and comes together very quickly. It's one of my go-to recipes when I need to have something fast on the dinner table. I love tilapia for its mild flavor, and cooked in garlic butter is so tasty. So let's get started.
The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1.5 pounds of tilapia fillet, 3/4 teaspoon of paprika, 4 garlic cloves minced, 4 tablespoons of butter melted, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and zest of half a lemon. Begin by mixing together melted butter, lemon juice, lemon zest, and garlic. Mix until well combined. This is going to make such a delicious sauce for our fish. Place tilapia fillets into a baking dish and season well with salt and pepper. You want to make sure the fish is well seasoned. Next, sprinkle over some paprika. I love the color paprika brings to this dish. Flip fillets over and repeat the same to the other side. I remember when I was younger, my mom would pick tilapia and have it fried at the Asian market. And now tilapia fillets are so accessible, you can find it at any grocery store. It's fairly inexpensive and has a mild flavor. You can use it in multiple different recipes. But this right here is my favorite way to cook it. It's so easy and so flavorful. What are some of your favorite ways to cook fish? I would love to know. Leave me a comment below. Now top it with that lemon garlic butter we made earlier. Heat your oven to 400 degrees and bake for 10 minutes. While that's baking, I like to serve this dish with some asparagus. Trim asparagus and heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add asparagus and season with salt and pepper. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Be careful you don't want to overcook them. We don't want mushy asparagus. You still want to have a slight bite to them. Change oven setting to broil and move baking dish to the top rack and broil for about 3 to 4 minutes. You want the fish to develop a nice crust. Okay, I just pulled it out. Look how good this looks. For the full written recipe, I have everything written in the description below. This dish also goes really well with some steamed rice, and you have to scoop some of that garlic butter sauce on top of it. Like I mentioned before, this is such a quick, tasty dish that everyone will love. And relatively healthy, right? Well, fish is a good source of protein. Look at this, it just flakes right off. Since my hubby partially works from home, he was here to enjoy it.
Yummy?
They're yummy.
Fish.
Fish.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Don't miss out on any of my other simple and delicious recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.